one is gonna be. Let's do some free ride.
Free ride. Oh, this is one of my. Oh, hold on. We got new events. We got new things are unlocked.
The world.
Oh, the world. This is my first time on this one.
Yeah.
I've never done it.
New.
Let me see what else is out here.
Go to new and then let's go to Junkyard Dog.
Oh, you know what? Where's look, yeah, Earthshaker. Let's go.
Earthshaker.
She's ready. She's like,
yeah.
Anybody that wants to mess with me, I'll take them down. Truck by truck.
Truck by truck. Let's go.
So this split screen. First time in 2024, me and you did split screen, and we're having a good time.
Yeah.
Oh, hold on. Oh, what a cheater, pumpkin eater. He tried to just go without me. Hey, wait for me. Wait.
Wait. Oh, I need to. Hey, I have an idea.
What?
Let's do all the secret collectibles. First, we'll start with the other secret collectible.
Okay,
It's under the bridge.
Oh, I follow you. Oh, wait for me.
I'll go to garage.
Oh, snap. Whoa.
Okay, let's change vehicle.
Oh, you know all the secret little passageways. Okay.
Actually, I think I want to choose. Wait, let's go to the bird park and get Junkyard Dog secret collectible. That's what should be. That's what we should do. So let's go to the bird park.
I'm gonna do it too. I'm gonna go over there.
Oh, okay.
It's my first time doing this world.
Yeah.
It's called Free World.
Yeah. No, this is called Free Ride, not Free World.
My turn. Let's see. There and back again. What's that?
That's.
What if can I go there?
Yes, let's go to Cushmore.
What should I do? What should I do here?
You should change vehicle.
Okay. Let me see here. So, I'm gonna go with I'm gonna go with them boys. Let me see. Oh,
Look at the boys.
I'm gonna go with them boys. Oh, I'm gonna go with the classic Goldie though. Goldie edition. Let's go. Oh, new and improved. What a truck. What a truck. It's trying to destroy. Oh.
Okay, let's go to Junkyard Dog and go up.
Where are you? Anyway. Oh,
I'm in the bar park.
Alright, I gotta go over there. Try to find you. Alright, so on the map, are you orange or blue?
I'm yellow.
You're yellow?
Actually, I'm orange.
Yeah, I mean you're yellow. That looks like yellow.
Yeah, I'm yellow. And you're blue.
Yeah.
Okay, where is Junkyard Dog secret collectible? The map says we need to go that way. That's across the question mark. Yeah, across the gate. The blue gate. Remember?
You talking to me?
Okay, I think this is it.
Oh, I see you over there working. Alright, I gotta see what's going on. What's going on out in these streets?
Oh my goodness.
What's happening?
It's moving.
What's happening? Alright. Oh yeah, this is bumpy over here. Oh, snap. Oh, you really, what are you doing?
Yeah, that's the secret collectible.
Oh,
That's
snap.
What?
You got, oh, you might be stuck down there. Are you stuck? Let me see. Oh, wow, look at this. It's some type of dog. Oh.
I got the secret collectible. Nice. Wait! What are you doing here?
I'm gonna check you out. I want to see what the heck is going on down here. Some dirty dog stuck in a hole. I wanted that collectible. That was mine. Give it to me. I want it back, and I want it back now. Oh! What happened? The collectible closed up. Let me see if I can get it
Now you're
back.
stuck.
No way. I'm stuck in the hole? How am I stuck in the hole? Am I really stuck in the hole?
Maybe.
I'm stuck in the hole. They covered it up. They buried me alive? No. Oh. Alright, restart. Oh no, but you gotta get your points. Hold on. So if we restart, will you be able to still collect those points? Are you okay with that?
Yeah.
Okay.
They'll get you out. Alright, there
Alright, here we go. Oh! Alright, I'm gonna follow you.
Okay, let's go to the garage. See, I already got Jingo Doxical Collectible. That's good. So now I am going to choose. I haven't gotten much of a food sequel collectible, but I'm gonna do it right now. Wait, the bag's not near. Oh no! But don't worry about that. Anyhow. Okay.
My turn.
You're going to the garage too?
Yep. I'm gonna see what these dogs are all about. Rough crowd. Husky. Let's get it.
These black dogs. Okay, here we go! Hey, who got that?
I got it.
Oh, you got that too?
Yeah.
Oh, Lord.
That wasn't a secret. Oh, where'd you go? I see. Where'd you go? See over there?
Dog, you black dogs.
Oh, you get points for crashing those picnic tables?
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah,
Let's
you're
go.
fast. Wow.
Beat it.
You know what? I want to see if we can find that secret collectible, the red one.
You talking about the pink one?
Oh, it's where the question mark is.
Yeah.
Oh, I gotta go over there. Okay, let me see if I can get it. I'm on the wrong side. Oh, no. He's gonna get it. Oh, no. Oh, no.
Maybe you can turn them off the twins. Yeah, we can turn them into twins.
Turn the twins, really?
Yes. We can all join.
Oh, I see that. I see it.
That's too much speed. Let me try again.
Oh,
Oh, too short again.
yep.
Ah, but they closed it.
Yeah, told you. It's not meant for you. It's for me. It's mine. It's all mine.
No.
Here I come. I'm coming over. All right, it's a picnic area.
Enjoy more ice cream.
I'm gonna come over this hill right here. It should be right over this hill. Up. Oh, big area. There it is, right there. There's the pink house. Oh, big area, you missed it. All right, my turn.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Since you can't do it, I can. Nobody can, I can. Let's see.
Yeah, maybe we can turn them off the foods too.
So where you start, over here? Alright, here I go. Let's go. And then I hit the booster. I got stuck. Yo, what happened?
That's a hit A.
Oh.
Oh, try it.
Alright, everybody, get out of my way. It's go time. Oh, what? You saw it? I was literally an inch away. Come on now. That was a chip.
Yeah, that was a chip. Come on, I need to get that.
They just gagged me on that. Oh, there you go. You got it. Oh,
So
so close.
too short.
All right, let me get some speed. Blaze say?
He said,
Give me some speed.
yeah, AJ.
AJ, give me some speed. Come on, Husky, give me some speed. Alright, where's the door? It's supposed to drop down, right? Are you trying to, there it is. No. Oh, I got it. I got it. Oh, yeah. The Husky strikes again.
Wait, the collectible's not there.
I got it. Oh, you gonna run into me? I got it. That's what.
Oh.
I got it. Come on. Where to next? I'll follow you. We're working together.
Wow. You got it for now. Oh my goodness.
Where are you?
I'm right here.
Oh, I'm on the other way. Yeah, I'll follow you. What's that? I see a question mark over there. What's that? Is that a collectible too?
Yeah.
Oh, where? Here you go. Man, you're like, you really are a wild dog.
Yeah.
You can go to the other question mark?
Sure.
Alright, let's
go
do
to
it.
the Highlands.
Alright, let's go. I'll meet you over here. Oh, snap, I'm going the wrong way. What am I doing?
Alright, there it is.
Hold up.
Yes.
Vote to load the Highlands.
Let's go.
Yes.
Voted for. Vote was a success.
Alright, cool.
Yeah.
That's new to me. I never seen that before. They do voting on here? That's awesome.
Free. D.
Alright, let's go. Oh, where are we? This is nuts. We're like another planet or something. Oh, man.
Yeah, this is so.
Alright, I want to try to find you. Where are you?
I'm right here. Okay, let's go to the garage.
I'll follow you.
That should be the.
Alright. I think you went this way. Oh no, you went the other way. Okay. I gotta start following the map. I'm not following. Alright. Here we go. Okay. So where is my little puppy? Oh, you gonna head? Where you headed to?
I am heading to.
Oh, excellent. Just great.
I crashed. Crash. Let's go.
Say less. What's that? Oh, you went to the portal?
Yeah, I was going to his garage. Exchange vehicle.
Who you gonna get?
Let's do Avenger.
Okay. Well, when I get over there, I'm
And also, let's do Paranormal Activity.
Alright, let me see. What team were you in?
I was in Defenders. And I chose Avenger. Defenders.
Okay,
I chose
yeah.
Avenger.
Alright.
Whoa, we're gonna do. Hey, I'm going Dragonoid.
I'm going to serve the fortune. I like that body. I like the paint job. Let go.
Alright,
Alright.
let's do Paramount Activity. See? Paramount Activity.
Okay.
Paramount Activity.
Can we unlock some things?
Yeah, sure, we can unlock some things even now.
Like what? What can we unlock?
Like multi trucks. Like we haven't unlocked. Yeah, we haven't unlocked. Brandon or the Legend. Or we haven't unlocked Soldier March and Black Ops. We got 2 trucks unlocked.
Okay.
Yeah, we got 2 trucks blocked. It was Mr. Skeletor's.